Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do this 5-minute makeup look for work, school or every day. And this time I have used the Bloodlust palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I decided to use this one because I bought it a few days ago and I just wanted to use it again. During this video I have done swatches of each eyeshadow so you can see which colors to use and also you can find something similar in your collection. Before we start, I want your feedback to create more 5-minute makeup looks. So let me know in the comments if this is something that you can create in 5 looks. 5 minutes! Headband on. I'm gonna start off with the eyeshadow Deviant. This one here. It is a light lilac matte eyeshadow. And this is gonna be my transition color. I'm gonna blend this in the crease area with the brush 221 by Zoeva. We are starting with this very light lilac eyeshadow so we can blend it easier in the crease area and also it can be more wearable. The brush that I'm using is a medium size, I would say. Also it is round and fluffy. It's not as big as the eye blender brush by Essence, for example. As you can see, this is bigger. Also the 225 brush by Zoeva is smaller. I decided to use this brush because I want to stay closer to the eyelid. Also this color is not something very similar to my skin tone, so I don't want to bring it very close to the brow bone. This is the area that I'm covering with this brush, and with a bigger one I can almost touch the brow bone. As you can see, this eyeshadow is very light. It can work for lighter skin tones. If you have a medium to darker skin tone, you can use this eyeshadow here. It is called Vivid Mood and it looks like this. For darker skin tones, you can use this shade here. It is called High King. This is Deviant that I have used in my crease. After that, I'm gonna take this eyeshadow here. It is called High King and this one is a more vibrant purple eyeshadow and also it has a pink undertone. It is like a purple magenta shade. This one has a matte finish. With the same brush, I'm buffing that out in the outer crease. I'm also trying to blend the eyeshadow upwards and outwards to give an uplifted effect. With a smudging brush by Urban Decay, I'm taking again the same eyeshadow. And this time I'm gonna smudge this on the lower lash line. I'm dragging my brush lightly towards the inner corner and then back to the outer corner. So I'm going back and forth. With whatever is left on the brush, I'm blending the edges. And this way we're not gonna use another eyeshadow to blend the edges. Moving on to this beautiful shimmery eyeshadow, it is called Beauty Sleep and this one is a duochrome pink peachy eyeshadow. With an eyeshadow brush by Essence, I'm pressing that on the eyelid. I'm also bringing some in the tear duct to highlight the inner corner. With my fluffy brush, I'm gonna blend just a little bit all the eyeshadows together in the crease. If you have some extra time, just take a little bit of this eyeshadow with your fingertip and press it on the center of the eyelid. This is going to make it shinier. If it's not very easy for you to find a similar eyeshadow to Beauty Sleep because this is a duochrome, you can also use a light pink eyeshadow or a light peachy eyeshadow or even a lilac. Yes, that is going to look very nice as well. The fastest way to make your lashes look fuller is with an eyeshadow and I'm gonna use this eyeshadow here. It is called Dungeon and it is a very dark plum purple eyeshadow. It has a matte finish and with an eyebrow brush by Essence, I'm gonna press this very close to the lashes. You can do this every time that you don't have time to create a winged eyeliner. You can just use an eyeshadow. You can use a brown, a black eyeshadow, dark purple like I'm doing today. In the waterline, I'm gonna use a purple eye pencil and this is going to look very nice with this eye look. For a 5-minute makeup look, it is important to use less brushes and eyeshadows. This way you're not gonna lose any time with switching up products. Also trying to find them. For mascara, I'm gonna use the Worth the Hype Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara by NYX Cosmetics. This is a black mascara that can add volume and length to the lashes, and you can skip on fake lashes. Let me know in the comments if you have a favorite volumizing mascara. For lips, I want to use something more intense because the eyes are so soft. Of course, you can use a lip gloss, you can use a product like this one by NYX. This is the Slip Tease in the shade Strawberry Whip. This is going to look very nice with this eye look. It is a light mauve shade with a glossy finish. I'm gonna start off with this Suede Matte Lip Liner by NYX. This is in the shade STFU. And with this one, I'm gonna line the lips. With the same lip product, I'm filling them in. With this step, you don't have to be very precise. This is a very creamy lip liner and you can also press your lips and the product is going to blend by itself. On top of that, I'm using the Suede Matte Lipstick in the same shade. If you don't have time to apply such an intense lip color, you can have the products in your purse and apply them in the toilet at work or school, or if you have your mirror, anywhere. You can find here another 5-minute makeup look. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!